Have you ever wondered if you left money on the table after selling a product or service on your farm? For example, is your CSA maximizing your profits while meeting all of your customers' needs and desires? So today, we'll be going over exactly how to set up your pricing so that you can make nice profits while meeting the needs and desires of your customers. Plus, I'll be giving an insider marketing tip towards the end of this video. So let's jump in. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is John and I'm the owner of Farm Stand Revival. I created this channel to blend my two passions of digital marketing and regenerative agriculture together. While my videos can be applied to any small business, my goal is to help small farms by providing them with bite-sized, practical marketing advice. Okay, so enough about me. Let's talk about maximizing your farm's profits through pricing. So, do you ever go to a concert and wonder why they sell general admission, assigned, and VIP seating options? Or why your cable provider has basic, extended, and premium packages? Well, it's because they're utilizing a pricing strategy that maximizes their profits while satisfying the needs and desires of their customers. Author William Poundstone, in his book titled Priceless: The Myth of Fair Value and How to Take Advantage of It, he talked about a study that went on to have a huge impact on how businesses structure their pricing. The study looked at a local bar that was serving two beer options. It found that 15% of the patrons went with the cheapest option and 85% went with the more expensive option. The researchers then added a third premium beer option and found that this led to even higher profits, because now only 10% chose the cheapest option, 80% chose the higher priced middle option, and the last 10% chose the premium option, meaning the bar had higher overall profits by just going from 2 to now 3 beer options. The principle of tiered pricing in the marketing world is simply called GBB, or good, better, best principle. You see, by providing your customer with a good, better, best pricing option, it changes their psychology of buying from should I buy or not buy to which option would I be most interested in buying. You're changing the narrative for your customer from making them feel like they're under an ultimatum, buy, don't buy, to instead giving them a sense of empowerment. We as humans want innately the best for ourselves and our families, but we also want to feel as though we're getting a deal or something of great value. So our inclination is to naturally choose the middle option when provided a good, better, best product or service. And this theory was confirmed by the study I just mentioned, as 80% of the bar patrons chose the middle or better option from the good, better, best beer list. So how can you practically apply these good, better, best pricing strategies to your farm? As always, it comes down to context, meaning it depends on your specific farm and its products and services. For example, let's say you have a small vegetable farm. A simple way to do it is you could provide a CSA box that has small, medium, and large farm share box sizes. And if you wanted to get a little more technical, you could have the customer first select the appropriate family size, then provide them with the good, better, best pricing options within that family size. You see, by doing this, you're meeting the need of your customers. I have a family of 4 that needs food every week, and then empowering them to choose an additional want. For example, if they chose family size 4, you can then provide them a good, better, best option of a veggie box, a veggie and fruit box, or a veggie, fruit, and flower box. There's a million ways to do this, so just have fun with it. Another pricing structure could be focused around delivery methods. For example, pick your own, we pick, box, and have pickup locations for you, or we deliver your box straight to your door. Also, don't be afraid to partner with similar but different local businesses. For example, if you team up with local free-range egg farm and a grass-fed beef farm, your good, better, best structures could be veggies, veggies and eggs, or veggies, eggs, and beef. You just need to make sure your margins are healthy to make that worth it, and that your partners are reliable. But here are a few other partner product ideas you could run with. So pastured pork, mushrooms, fresh baked bread, different local teas, fermented foods, local dairy, organic chicken, the list goes on and on. I personally think it'd be really cool if a farm offered a local tour VIP CSA box as their premium product with a different local item in their weekly CSA share. So for example, it could be a local hot sauce one week and then local salsa the next, local honey the next. You get the idea. I know by spring most farms already have their CSA pricing, but this good, better, best pricing structure can be applied to other farm products and services as well. So for example, how about selling farm swag with your logo on it as a sticker, a shirt, or a hoodie option? Or if you're doing farm classes, you could sell a single class ticket with a farm fresh lunch provided, or a VIP ticket that gets you to all farm classes with farm fresh lunches provided for the year. Okay, before we get into my insider marketing tip, I'm going to take a second and remind you that if you enjoy this channel and want to see more marketing videos like this, then hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. All right, so my insider marketing tip for you is to display your premium product or highest priced product or service first when presenting your good, better, best pricing options. In the world of marketing, this is a well-known principle. By setting the bar, or what we call the anchor price, it then gives your customer a set starting point when they are estimating a value of any service or product. By doing this simple trick, you're setting up your customer's buying experience to be a happy and empowering one. For example, if you look at concert tickets and you see that the VIP tickets go for $250, and then you see that the assigned seating and general admission tickets go for $75 and $50, then you as a customer are led to feel as if the $75 and $50 tickets are a bargain. And lastly, remember to test, and retest. This can be a big decision, so talk to your customers to find out what their needs and desires are. You can watch to see if your customers are often buying similar but different products when at the farmer's market, and then consider partnering with those businesses. Or consider doing some research into why some people are never becoming your customer in the first place, and then attempt to fix that barrier to entry with your new good, better, best pricing strategy. Again, there's a million ways to do this, so chill out, have fun with it, do what you think is best for your business and its context. But just by simply applying these few principles, you're already on your way to better profits and a more secure future for your farm business. So you already have good, better, best pricing strategies in mind? Why don't you comment below and share it with our community? Also, be sure to check out my other small farm marketing videos below. Thanks for watching and happy farming.